How to cancel an order on Shopee after shipping. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel an order on Shopee after shipping. First of all, open up the Shopee.com site in web browser. After getting into its site, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. In your profile, you will find different options, so click on My Purchase. Then, in here, you can see all of your orders. After that, go into the ship block and check if your order is shipped. If it did, then tap on your order from here and click to contact the seller. Otherwise, every order has its expiration date. If it's not delivered on that date, then the order will expire automatically. But there is no way to cancel the order after shipping. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.